Hello ladies and gentlemen, what we're looking at is probability with expected value. We're going to be able to figure out over the long run, and that's just going to be our denominator, how much we'll gain or lose. So don't worry about the word long run, we'll actually figure that out with our probability models. Now when we look at this probability model, this is for, let's say, two spinners with we have red, yellow, yellow, and green on one spinner, blue, red, red, yellow, green on the second spinner. And as we look at this, I'm going to find out all of the matches. If they get a match, they're going to get 3 tokens. If they get no match, they're going to get 0. So I'll kind of circle all of the matches here in pink. Here, 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 and there. I believe that's all the matches. Yeah. Alright, so out of 20, because there are 20 boxes here, that's going to be 5 out of 20 they're going to win. 15 out of 20 they're not going to get anything. Now, here's the expected value part. We're going to figure out for one game, just one game, how many tokens I would lose. How many tokens I can expect to lose each game. So how this works is, first we figure out theoretical probability. Second step is to multiply this top number, 5, and I'll erase that and make it a little bit better. Multiply this top number 5 times the winnings, so times 3, which is 15. Multiply this top number for the no match times 0, which is 0. Second step, after we figure out third step, figure out theoretical probability, multiply times the winnings, and then we're going to add this up. So 15 altogether. 15 tokens. Now, that is for 20 games. I'm going to have to pay out 15 tokens, probably on average, for 20 games. So the fourth step, the last step, is going to be to divide by how many games, or divide by the denominator. So that's going to be 20. 15 divided by 20 is going to be 0.75. And that's going to be how many tokens that I'm going to have to pay out per game. So every game I'm going to have to pay out 0.75 tokens. Now you're not going to obviously take out 0.75 tokens, rip up 3/4 of a tokens, but that's actually going to be how many you're going to pay out on average. That would be for this game. I'll go over these steps in the next slide again on how to find probability or the expected value and the steps that you need to take in any situation. So these are the steps that you actually need to take to find out expected value. First, you find the theoretical probability, multiply the numerator by how much they win, add, and then divide by the numerator. If you want to go through that, just make sure that you go rewind this video and look back at those 4 steps. We'll give you one more situation. I want you to apply these steps right below this. So I set the problem up for you. This is the probability model with spinning 1, 2, 3, and then spinning another spinner 1, 2, 3, trying to get a match. If they get a match, they get 4 tokens. If they don't get a match, 0 tokens. And I laid out the probability for you right here. You just have to figure out how many times they will win, how many times they will lose, and then go through the steps. Multiply the numerator by how much they win and lose. I'll add that in. So times 4 times 0. Step 3, add. So add those two, whatever you get, times 4 times 0, whatever you get, add those, and then divide by the denominator, which would be 9 this time. That goes right down here, 9. Alright, and that's going to be how much you can expect to pay out per game. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask me. Otherwise, this is the notes that you need for the video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.